Creating drama and intensity in your playing is actually pretty simple. There's a few little tricks that I have, and I'm going to teach them to you in this lesson. So we're going to use a very simple, basic pop chord progression. We're going to work in the key of G, and we're going to use the 6, which is E minor. We're going to use the 4, which is C, the 1, which is G, and then the 5, which is D. So get comfortable just playing those chords first. I'm playing them using inversions, but you can play them in root position if you're a beginner, which would look like this. So, how do we make this more dramatic? Well, the first thing that I like to do to create drama is use big, heavy octaves in my left hand. For example, if I'm playing this progression, I'm using fifths in my left, and I want to build some intensity. I'm going to drop low on the piano, and I'm going to play a nice heavy octave with my left hand. All of a sudden, things are changing. And they are much more dramatic. So that's, I think, the fastest and easiest way to create drama. I just pretend like my arm is super heavy, and I lean into those octaves. And if you want like extra drama, you could just be dramatic with your body too and lift your hand right off the keys. So that's number 1. The next thing that you can do to add some drama to your playing is use rhythm. So instead of kind of just hanging out on the beats, build intensity by adding some pulsing rhythms. Now you can do that with octaves. You can do that by doing this as a hands together action. So it's already more dramatic. You can also, this is something I really like to do, is work back and forth with a broken chord. So all of a sudden you're starting to feel like a little more intense. So all I'm doing is playing the top 2 notes of the chord and rocking to the bottom. And it doesn't matter which inversion you're in. You can pick one that you like the sound of best. And, you know, you add some heavy octaves into that. You got some drama. And then finally, perhaps one of the most effective tools for drama is dynamic contrast. So here's what I mean. So you've figured this out. You're playing these broken, and you got these heavy octaves, and then you just become super soft. You kind of fade out. So that contrast from really intense to like really chilled out, it can have a huge impact. And that even works when you're moving around on your key. So if you're down low, maybe all of a sudden you want to take it up high. And then you can come back down to the middle or low end of your piano. Wake up your neighbors. So those are some tricks for adding drama and intensity to your playing. These tricks would work for any chord progression. So pick a progression, try these out, comment below, and let me know how it goes.